Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to create histograms in Excel. So for this, we will go in Excel workbook. Here we are having a data which consists of the ID of the employee, gender, the birth date, education of the employee, job category, salary, the current salary, beginning salary, job time, previous experience, minority indicator, yes or no. The salary is, you can say, on the continuous scale, and we can plot the histogram of the salary, not of gender, not of education, not of job category, because they are all categorical variable. So click on it. Now you go in insert, and from here, activate the histograms. Done. Histogram is ready. Click on it. If you want to add any chart element, just hover a mouse on it. So primary horizontal, primary vertical, axis title, primary horizontal. If it's necessary, click on it. Primary vertical, chart title, above chart, centered overlay, data labels, center, inside and, inside base, outside and, grid lines, primary major horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, legend, right, top, left, bottom. You can also change the layout from here, whichever suits you. The color of the chart can be changed from here. Okay, the chart styles can be selected from here. If you want to change the chart type, it can be done from here. Normally in histogram, there is only one type of chart available. Now press on the plus sign. Yeah, it's just same as chart element, but a shortcut is given here. So anything if you want to add, just tick mark on it and it will be added in your chart. Style, it's the same thing, which is here. The color can also be changed, same thing, which is here. Now double click on this. On right hand side, we are having fill and border, fill, solid fill. Let's see in the color. Take the light one. Transparency can be increased or decreased. Gradient fill, picture or texture, pattern fill, automatic. So the color can be selected from here. Now activate the border. So if we require a border, activate the solid line. So this is the border, this one. Its width can be increased or decreased. Transparency can be increased or decreased. Compound type, dash type, cap type. Now go in effects, shadow. If we require shadow, activate it. Outer shadow has appeared. Just see which color shadow do we require. The size of the shadow, transparency, blur, angle, distance, glow. Glow can be adjusted. Let's take the another color. Glow. The size of the glow. Soft edges. 3D format. 3D format. Okay, now collapse this. Activate here. size of the chart, that is height can be increased, width can be increased. In properties, keep things as it is. Now you go in text options, text field. So it's basically related to this gradient field, picture or texture field, pattern field. Yeah, if we require a shadow, then activate from here. Let's discuss about the reflection. So if reflection is necessary, activate it and the reflection will appear. We can also have the option of glow for this text, soft edges, 3D format, 3D rotation, no, not available. Now close this. Now I'll again bring this histogram on the original setting so that you can understand the changes. You click on this columns, gap width can be increased or decreased, but normally in histogram don't make any changes. Solid field, gradient field, picture or texture, pattern field. So you can pick up any pattern and automatic borders. We can have a border for this. All other things we have already discussed like transparency, width, compound type. Now collapse this and activate shadow. So if it's necessary, then only go for such settings, shadow, glow can also be activated. So I'll press Ctrl Z to come on the original settings. Soft edges, keep as it is. 3D format, let me check. It's not available. Okay, now click here. So that's a gap width which is discussed. Close this. Now double click on this x-axis. The most interesting thing is here. We'll start with the fill option. Fill, not available. Okay, line, solid line. If we require on x-axis, we require solid line, then activate it. Its width can be increased. Gradient field. Okay, now effects. So normally we don't go for changing shadow, glow, soft edges for x-axis. You activate this part. So here the data has been divided into, let's say, 15,750 to 23450 in the first bin. In the second bin, 23450 to 31150. Now the software has taken on its own. We want to specify that each bin should consist of $25,000 salaries. $25,000. Enter. So you can see. Or there is still another way. I can specify the number of bins. Please divide the data into 4 bins, 3 bins, or 6 bins. So this was all about creating the histograms in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to share and like my video. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. You can join me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, link given in the description box.